Wrike tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Wrike and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Wrike is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Wrike in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com or you've used Asana or you've used ClickUp, then Wrike will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Wrike works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations that use Wrike. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration. All these people use it, and it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why Wrike. So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design. Also has a great CMS. You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay? So that's pretty much about it when it comes to Rike. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.